Yeah. So the control statement, why we will be call it as a control statement is control statements are used to change the flow of the execution of the program instructions. By default, computer will execute sequential execution. Sequential execution. But the control statement will change the flow of the execution. So therefore, according to the classification, there are three types of control statements. One is conditional statements. They are if else, if, if, else. These are the three conditional statements. Comes to looping statements. Looping are iteration or repetition statements. What are they? For, while, nested. These are the three statements we look at, looping statements. Now comes to third kind of statements are special statements. They are break, continue, pass, return.
Hello.
Yes, any questions?
Nyaka. Putna.
Right. So now, so there are three types of statements. Just let me demonstrate very simple examples that where to apply if, where cannot apply if, where to apply if else, where cannot apply if else, where to apply this statement. Because each statement has its own purpose. Let's suppose if statement. This statement is able to tackle one condition. Syntax is that in Python, if condition colon body of if. This is the syntax of the if statement. Comes to if else statement. It is able to tackle two conditions. Positive and negative. Syntax is that if condition colon body else body. This is the syntax of if else statement. Now comes to if elif and else statement. It is able to handle more than two conditions. More than two conditions means n conditions. Can we handle? What is the syntax here? If condition colon body ELIF condition colon body ELIF condition body. This can be goes up to any level. Lastly, there is a default is that else. This is the syntax of ELIF and else statement. You know, that is a third kind of a statement. Firstly, let me demonstrate with appropriate example of if, elif, else, and all these statements. So this can be available to you as as a notebook. I will share this statement, this particular file with you. You can take it as. Now, demo about simple if statement. I am writing a code now, Python code to recognize whether given character is vowel or consonant. What is the program I'm writing? See, because it's very important, in some of the situations, like whether word is grammatically correct or not. Let's suppose BD. It's not a valid word, it's an invalid word. A word without a vowel, it's an invalid word. For that, what I'm doing here, I'm taking a character into input. Input, enter a character. If a character in A, E, I, O, U, then I will tell you that given character is vowel. Else, now there is no else because it is a simple if statement. I'm executing. Now it's asking me to enter the thing. U, given character is vowel. But again, I'm giving a name. V, there is no. So simple if can be able to tackle one condition. If the condition failed, it's not going to handle the situation. Therefore, you're supposed to be write a simple if where you have at max one possibility of occurrence. If it goes more than one possibility, simple if not possible. Therefore, what I'm going to do here, I'll be make it as else so that print given character is consonant. Now it will be executed. Now, firstly, I'll be give I. It is a vowel. Again, I'm giving. Now, H. It is a consonant. Now, here you have to understand one important point. With if and else at max, we can handle two possible events. If a third event need to be handled, then obviously cannot. Now, what is the situation now? Right. So now the same program I would like to write. Python program to write to recognize vowel, consonant, or special symbols and digits. Now, either vowel or consonant or special symbols or digit need to be handled. How exactly it will happen? Now, instead of else is going to become last. Now, between LIF, CH in @ $, this. Obviously, it will be treated as, you know what? It is given character is special symbol. ELIF CH in. Now here I am going to give that one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it will be called, you know what? Given character is digit. Now we execute now. If it is A, it's a vowel. If it is dollar symbol, it is a special symbol. Next, if it is if it is 8, it's a digit. Again, if I enter R, it's a consonant. So now you have to understand, if third event occurs, obviously this statement is able to handle if ELIF, this is most powerful statement. Any number of programs can be handled by this. Now I'll be asking you guys to be write a small program. Whether if you have understand this, you will be write a program according to my constraint. Write a Python program that there are 3 students about their having heights. Find out whose height is taller. Yeah, can anyone write a program? Please, I'm expecting you guys to write a program. Hanindra, Preeti, Rashikar, Rajeshwar, and Rambabu, please can you write a program? Because I am asking you whether you have understand the conditional statements, you will be able to write a program. Now, student 1, whose height is 1.89. Student 2, whose height is 1.78. Student 3, whose height is 1.56. Now, you need to write a program. How need to be handled? You know,
Yes, sir.
whose height is taller. I'll give you the host. Please, can anyone write? Rambabu, will you write a program? Priti, Funny. Who is this Funny? Is this Suri Babu?
Both are like in one system, sir.
Okay. See, if you are
Condition is
understanding.
yes. Our
Please.
I is greater than.
No, you write. I'll give you the host to you. Rambabu, you write. I'll see. Share your screen. Are you writing, Rambabu?
Sir, how to write, sir? Sir, actually, sir, పైచే ఓపెనింగ్స్ రాయమంటారా సార్?
Open this. Rambabu, who is talking near you? Ask them to stop their conversation. They don't understand that whether the class is happening to you.
Yeah, yes.
Ask them to stop their noise.
Yes. Sir, somewhat confusing, sir. Some confusing, sir.
What happened?
The condition was
What is the condition
yes.
you are going to write?
Sir, S equal to 2, sir. I will take in just a minute, sir.
No, it's not required. Now you see, there are three people. You want to compare between three. S1 is greater than S2 or not. S1 is greater than S3 or not.
Okay,
If
sir.
S1
And it
is
means
greater than-
if else you use three conditions,
that
sir.
you write no. That you write no.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాస్తావు అంటే S1
Okay, sir.
తో S1 తో S2 కి S3 కంపేర్ చేస్తావు. If S1 is greater than S2 S3, S1 is taller. Next, S2 ని S1 తో S3 తో కంపేర్ చేస్తావు. లెట్ మీ రైట్ అప్ ప్లీజ్. అందుకోసమే అడుగుతున్నాను నేను. యాక్చువల్గా మీరు కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ తో వినాలి, లేకపోతే మీరు 1 second ప్లీజ్. I'll write the code. Now, I wanted to write a code logic. See, generally, what I'm going to do, step 1. I'll be comparing if S1 is greater than S2, isn't it? And S1 is greater than S3. Obviously, will we say that print? S1 is
Greater
taller
than
than
S2 and S3.
If here we are going to use elif. S2 is greater than S1 and S2 is greater than S3. Obviously, we are going to tell what? Print S2 is taller than first. Lastly, if two conditions failed, obviously you need not to compare S3. S3 will be the taller. Now, according to this, who is going to be taller? Let me check this program in Python tutor. Copy. Now here I would like to visualize. Now presently S1 is 1.89. S2 is 1.78. S3 is 1.56. These are the three people heights. Now what's happening at if statement? Yeah. What's happening at this particular statement? S1 is 1.89. S2 is 1.78. If S1 is greater than S2, condition is true. And S1 is this, S3 is this. Is 1.89 is greater than 1.56, condition become true. According to AND condition, if both the conditions are true, then only this particular statement will be gets executed. Let's see what happens. Next, print. That's all. If you look at output, S1 is taller than the rest. The cursor became disabled because condition became true. Rest of the part does not execute. Now, I'll be doing that. I'll be edit the code. I'll be change S2. S2 is 98. Now, how the comparison will take place? Visualize. Next, 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 next. Now, condition failed because S2 is greater than S1. S1 is not greater than S2. So, this condition failed. This condition failed. S1 is 1.89. S2 will be 1.98. S2 is greater than S1. Condition failed. If one condition failed, obviously this is not going to be executed because AND nature is one of the condition failed, our overall result become fails. This statement does not execute it. It will be come to here. Now, is S2 is greater than S1? Yes, true. Is S2 is greater than S2? Yes, true. Now, obviously print S2 will be taller. Let me check. Yes, S2 is taller. Now again, S3 is 1.99. Now, which is taller? Obviously, S3 will be the taller. Now, let me execute. S1, S2, S3. Now, first condition failed because S1 is not greater than S3. This condition failed. Okay, it will come to here. S3 is greater than S2. Obviously failed. Now, it will be print onto the output. Yeah, S3 is 12. Yes or no? So now, I am asking you to write another program. Please, these are all, it's very important you guys to understand. I am asking you to write another program. Write a program to check given number is even or odd or zero. Can you write a code by using the if else statements? Please, someone must be writing. Within 1 minute, I am giving time to you. Can anyone write? Funny, Preeti, Raja, Rajashekar, Rajesh, and Rambabu. See, please tell me what's the problem. Are you not understanding how to write a code? Or not you understanding the syntax of the code? If you are understanding if else statement, you're supposed to write a program over here.
Yes, sir.
Please, Rambabu, can you write a program for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you write, please, right now?
Wait a minute, sir. I will share you after the completion now in chat box.
I'll be sharing with you.
Yes. Condition sorry. Condition అంటే S/2
Yes, Rambabu, are you not writing?
Yes, sir. Type.
No, I'm not seeing your screen. You have not shared your screen. Share your screen.
Sir, is it correct, sir?
No, no, no. See here, if you divide a number by 2, which is remainder equal to 0, then it is the even number.
Yes, sir.
It's not a division operator, it's a modulus operator.
Means percentage level, sir.
Modulus ఇవ్వాలి. ఇఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇదంతా తీసేయి, ఈ కోడ్ అంతా తీసేయి. ఏదైనా ఒక నంబర్ ఇచ్చుకో, n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. 10 తీసుకో, 10 తీసుకో. రైట్. ఏమని రాస్తావు? నువ్వు రాసే నంబరు 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే రిమైండర్ 0 రావాలి, అయితే అది ఈవెన్ నంబర్, లేకపోతే ఆడ్ నంబర్. ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే 0. అలా 3 కండిషన్స్ రాయాలి. ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ తప్పు రాస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే సార్. ఇఫ్
n divided by n modulus
మాడ్యులస్
2
2
is equal to 0, double equal to 0. Print given number is even. ఎల్స్ కాదు, ఇంకా 0 ఉంది.
ఎల్స్
3
Mama,
కండిషన్స్ రాయాలి.
from elif
నేను 3 అడిగాను.
equals to 0.
నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన నంబర్ 0ఆ, ఈవెనా, ఆడా?
n equals to 0,
n is equal to 0, then given number is 0. Next.
given number is 0. Else
కండిషన్ రా ఇక్కడ. కండిషన్ డబుల్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.
0.
Colon. Now you write a print.
Print given number is 0. Else print given number is
Next.
నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కదా సార్?
Now obviously it is a odd
print
number.
given number is odd.
Given number is odd. పైన కండిషన్స్ ఫాల్స్ అయిపోయినాయంటే obviously number will be odd number. So given number is even. Now 10 తీసి 9 ఇవ్వు. Yes, odd number. Next. 10 9 తీసి 0 ఇవ్వు. Yes, given number is, so given number is 0 అని రావాలి. సో అందుకోసమే ఫస్ట్ చెకింగ్ మనము గివెన్ నంబర్ 0 కాదా అని చెక్ చేయాలి. ఒక నంబరు 2 తో డివైడ్ అవ్వకపోతే ఇట్ విల్ బి టేకింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ న్యూమరేటర్ యాజ్ అవుట్పుట్, అప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది. సో నువ్వు n డివైడెడ్ బై 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ప్లేస్ లో n ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని రాయాలి ఫస్ట్, అప్పుడు అది 0 చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది. యా, ఆ ఫస్ట్ ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ లో n ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని రాయాలి, అప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది స్టేట్మెంట్. కాదు 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 కాదు, అక్కడ సేమ్, అక్కడ కాదు. అక్కడ అది ఆ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ తీసి అక్కడ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని రాయి, ఆ పర్సెంటేజ్ తీసి ఆ, ఈ ఆ లాజిక్ కింద రా ఇప్పుడు ఎలిఫ్లోర్. అక్కడ 0, ఇక్కడ కింద ఈవెన్. నో ఇక్కడ మనం ఇంకా నువ్వు పైన 0 రే. ఎస్, ఇక్కడ ఈవెన్. నో, yes, given number is 0. Now you try with 10. Yeah, now next try with 9. Yeah, I think now I'm asking another program. Yeah, so I'm asking a program, right? A program print, write a program to print extra charges if the luggage weight is greater than 25 kilos. Now I'll share the question to you according to write a program, because in assignments there are some programs. So I request everyone, please you visit this site and try to enroll the course so that you can download the material. NTH Training Hub is the site. This is the site where you just click on to courses. You can see the placement track record over here. Yeah, this is the placement.